Cross the center cord. Wrap the fourth cord over the third cord and pull it through the loop. Repeat the same process with the same cord once more. Now hold the center cord in your right hand and wrap the fifth cord over the third cord, which we are holding, and pull it through the loop, repeating the same process. Then, follow the same process with the sixth cord as well. Hold the first cord you made in your left hand, and with the second cord, create a loop using the same process. Follow the same process with the first cord. Now, one cord will be on the left and one on the right, while the remaining cords are in the center. Hold the left cord in your right hand and follow the same pattern with the two center cords. Now, bring the right cord to the left, and with the two remaining center cords, create loops using the same process. Place the left cord over the right cord and create a loop by placing the left cord over the right cord again to complete the pattern. You will see that this pattern forms in a diagonal shape. Practice this again to perfect it.